in the top of the website, in the right corner, it will be green button Install Steam. Click on it, then click on blue button Install Steam. Also Steam available on Mac and Linux. When Steam was downloaded, we need to install it. You can install Steam while in browser, or you can open File Explorer and folder Downloads. Here it is, open it, next, next. I recommend to install Steam on folder D, because sometimes we need to reinstall Windows and we need to format folder C, but if games will be installed on C folder, they will be deleted. Click Install. Run Steam, and Steam need to update. We need to wait updating Steam. After we installed Steam, need to log in or create a new account. So if you have an account, you just need to log in, and if you don't have account, you need to create new account. I already have an account in Steam. I just click on login to existing account. Need to type in account name and password. Check and field to remember your password and login. After this, on my email will be sent a letter. Open it, and the code will be in capital letters. Here it is. I just copy it, or on keyboard I put case Ctrl+C. Here it is. I just do it. In this window I click on next and paste a code from letter to this field. Next. Finish. And now I just download and install Steam on my PC. I can install any games from my library, or I can buy any games I want in store. Put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.